Assalamualaikum. Hope you all are in good health. Welcome back to Dipsip Crunch Munch with one more interesting recipe, that is fruit tart. To make fruit tart, first we will prepare the tart dough. I am preparing my dough in food processor, but you can do easily by hand. Here goes 200 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of icing sugar. Avoid using granulated sugar because the tart dough will not get that texture. 1 pinch of salt, 100 grams of cold cubed butter. Now we have to pulse until fine crumbs are formed. This step can be done easily by hand. What you have to do, take cold cubed butter, rub with your fingers in the dry ingredients until you get coarse breadcrumb like structure. That's it. It's simple. Now all these dry ingredients are combined well. It has attained coarse crumb like structure. Add an egg yolk, 3 tablespoons of cold water. All the ingredients have combined well. So this is the tart dough. We are going to wrap it in a cling film and refrigerate it at least for 1 hour. I'm pouring full cream milk. Boil the milk with 4 tablespoons of sugar. Stir in between 3.5 tablespoons of custard. Lukewarm milk. Mix so that there are no lumps in the custard mixture. A smooth mixture is formed. The milk is boiled. Now turn off the flame. Gradually add this custard mixture into the milk and stir continuously. Turn on the heat. Cook it at low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. You can use whisk also. To this add 1 tablespoon of butter. Sieving is optional, but it will give you smooth texture. Wrap the custard with a cling film. The cling film should touch its surface and it prevents the formation of layer on the custard. This goes in the fridge until it cools down and then we will transfer it to the tart dough. I took out the dough. It was in the refrigerator for 1 hour. This is my tart pan, 9-inch tart pan with removable bottom. If you don't have tart pan, you can use any baking dish. You flour the surface. Now start rolling. For these cracks, remove the top layer, press it with your finger. Again, cover it. To bake the tart crust, we have to cover it with an aluminium foil and we have to keep some weights over the aluminium foil. Otherwise the tart crust will puff up. So here is the aluminium foil. Cover the edges also. These are lentils. You can use rice grains. Bake this tart crust at 180 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven. to assemble fruit tart. These are the assorted fruits chopped into bite size.